Just to show you kind of what I did, I'll just do a quick walk around.
Hey y'all, this here's my barn I just did. I got it all fixed up pretty fancy. I'll give y'all some good ideas about where to put stuff. Over here we got a ladder. That's one of them things you stand on, get you higher up in the air. Look at there, isn't that pretty? Got me a hook dealie to hang it on. Hanging on this little fancy hook back here I made. Got my lighter over there for when I want to set something on fire or somebody on fire. Got my fancy gas cans up there next to my lighter. That's always a good place for a lighter, right next to your gas. I got a spray dealie up here. I don't know what I'm going to spray, but I'll spray something. Got my oil shelf, because you got to have a shelf for your oil. I mean, that's just a must. I got all my things hanging on the wall right here, all nice and pretty. There's my other ladders when you're going to get up higher in the air. Because, you know, sometimes you just need a little extra to get up in the air with a bigger ladder. Got all this stuff right here. Some of it I don't know what it is, but I thought I'd hang it up here. I got my shovel hanging on this here hook right here. You just pop it right out and pop it right back in. Look at there, isn't that pretty? It's pretty fancy. I think that cost me $1.99 at Walmart. Even got a new thingy right there for my weed whacker. That's for when I went and whacked them weeds. I just go in here, lift it off like that there, and then you just put it right back when you're done whacking them weeds. That's my other thingy right there. It's not all that great. It didn't have a special thingy. Got me some PVC to put my dealies in right there. Look at there, isn't that pretty? I got all my wood all stacked nice and neat. That way I know where my hard wood is. Keeps it all nice and flat. Then up top up there, you see that here in a minute. Yeah, I got my lawnmower right there. I try to get the kids to push it, but they won't push it none. I got Dolly sitting over there when I leave the moose and crap around. And of course my jumper cables from my 72 Pinto I got sitting out back. It just don't want to start sometimes. I got all these totes up here. That's where I keep all my porn and stuff. Of course I got golf clubs up on the ceiling. I really don't know how to use them, but they're good when you want to whack somebody in the head with them. But yeah, I do have a lot of porn. And then when I'm watching my porn, you see a window over there. I'll just look out the window at the neighbors. Look at there, isn't that pretty? Got me a hook dealie to hang it on. There's them bicycles. Don't nobody ever ride them, but they look pretty. It looks like we do something once in a while. Got my mop bucket over there to clean up my mess after I play with myself. Got the old fishing poles over here. I put PVC in them. That way they'd hold them all nice and pretty there. But they did fall over once in a while when I first started it. But I put this piece of wood right here. It holds them in there perfect like this right here. You just open it up, bam. There's your fishing pole when you want to hurry up and go fishing. Oh yeah, we got magnets to hold that in. So you just lift your pole right out of there and it shut right back up. I got magnets to hold that piece of wood there to keep them all nice and straight so they don't fall over.
It's called barn organized.
It's pretty fancy. I think that cost me $1.99 at Walmart. Look at there, isn't that pretty?